versus Barangay Panagan. Introducing our officiating officials for this afternoon. Our first referee, Dwayne Marats, BNBF National Referee. Our second referee, Paul Danalos, BNBF National Referee. May the best team win. Good luck and let the game begin.
May dapat din sila i-video kapag kayo mag-live.
Huwag na ko i-mute. Dito na ko ma-adjust. 30! Labi na pa ka nang magpanaw ba? Bilog na mag-move
Mag-zoom ba kayo?
Ha? Hindi na lang kailang block. Mag-change mag-yapo na. Let's go! Sabi natin. Sobrang saya. Edit ako! Panasan!
Jersey 8. First point goes to Barangay Panagan. Jersey 13, Picao, serving. That's outside. Serious error. Giving another 1 point for Barangay Buwangi. 1-0. Ning Balos of the way. 2-1. Panagan is up by 1 point. Inside. 2-all. This is one of the games deciding factor for the Salis. 2-all jersey number 3 serving for Buangin proper. Power seed. Number 6.
Wala ko'y kataba, kanang katulong sa pag ano.
Nice serve!
Number 3-0! Parang ayaw mapatalo ng both teams. This one is decided if they will go to the semis or not. Jersey 31 serving.
Iniyot na ko ni Bu. Kumapili ng panakang straight set.
Na! Away!
5 points sa mga. 5 points sa sila niya. Sila, tibong ko 6 points.
3-4! Buhangin is up by 1 point. Jersey 31, 4 serving 3.
So kung mo daog sila, 3 points, 7 points. Agad ay ginagawa.
9.
Buhangin pa ang munang.
Pinalik.
Liyan siya, di ba? Sila man. Sila
Double violation committed by Barangay Buhangin. 4-0. Algar, the team captain, serving for Pakan.
Pero makaset ang buhangin, triple tie sila. Pero tagam ka po ng buhangin.
Service A! Simon!
Buhangin kung makaset sila kay
5-4. Pakan is up by 1 point.
sila.
Jersey 4, serving. 5 serving 4.
Hindi ang Arcastilla. Ay daog sila, daog ang Arcastilla sa buhangin.
Service air! Namigay ng puntos sa Barangay Buhangin. 5-all!
Oh, gani. Third set gani guys. Third set, di ba?
Jersey 14, serving. Binalik. Panakan got the point. 6-5. Panakan is up by 1 point. Jersey 15, serving. Lanaha. 6 serving 5. Outside! Service error. That's 6-all.
Si Carla man nag-coach.
Jersey 13, serving for Barangay Buhangin proper. Double violation committed by Barangay Buhangin. Score 7-6. Panakan is back with the lead of a point. Jersey to Baluran, serving 7 serving 6. Winner. Estose. Panakan is leading by 2 points. Jersey 2, Baluran, serving. 8 serving 6. A net violation, service error. 8-7. Jersey 21. Jersey 21, serving. Estose, monster attack. 9-8. Jersey 13, Picaro. Team captain. Inside. 10-8. Score for the first set. Panakan is up by 2 points. Jersey number 13, Picaro, serving. 10 serving 8.
Nice serve! Agap!
Once again, Alba. Steve Caro still serving. 11 serving 8. Tuale, Anakan is leading by 4 points. 12 serving 8, substitution. Jersey 21 out, in number 7. 12 serving 8.
Suga na suga.
Dinner! 13-8. 13-8. Makakan isang 5 points. Si Caro still serving. Chance ball. Access denied. Sabi na number 3. 13-9. Panakan is up by 4 points. Serving Jersey 2, 9 serving 13. Alwa, team captain. 14-9. Jersey 10. Chance ball. Big play by number 6 is Costen. 15-9. Panakan is up by 6 points. Jersey 10, Naraza, serving. Denies Amor. 16-9. Panakan is still leading. Jersey 10, serving Naraza. Naraza is the best setter, having no industry. Service ace, Naraza. Jersey 10, still serving, 17 serving 9. Service error. That's outside. 17-10. Jersey 3 serving. 10 serving 17. Service error. 18-10. Panakan is up by 8 points. Jersey set 6 is Costen.
Jump serve. Carla. Golasan. Let's go.
Wala naman tayo ng ulo. 18-11. Panakan is still up by 7 points. 11 serving 18. Jersey number 31. Amor, the team captain. 19-11.
Watching mga play. Goal bar.
Amor, sorry.
Patay. Taga.
Shut up. 19-12. Nalito ata yung player natin sa loob. Jersey 14, serving. 12, serving 19. Ana. Outside. Ang lakas naman ng palo. 19, 13. Panakan is up by 6 points. Jersey 14 is still serving. 13, serving 19. Another outside. 19, 14. What a day, better. Ayun. Ayun, kapag. Shot ball. Buhay ba ang bola? Sideline. Nakuha. Sorry, hindi umabot. 19-15. Bumaba ang lead ng Barangay Panakan. 84 points. Time out, Barangay Panakan. Score for the time out is 9-15.
Team Mandog is now preparing. Good luck, good luck, good luck.
Time for the timeout. Score 19-15. Panakan is up by 4 points. Jersey 14 serving 15, serving 19.
Ay, wala itong tig-score o busy kayo.
16! 3 points lamang ang labang ng Barangay Panakan. Humahabol ang Barangay Buma improper. 16 serving 19. Picaro! Present 2016. Panakan is up by 4 points. Lanaha, Jersey 15 serving 20 serving 16. Inside 2017. Panakan is up by only 3 points. Jersey 13 serving 17 serving 20. That's
Hi sa hi.
2 touches. Service error. 21-18. Once again, we would like to invite everyone to tomorrow's event. We talk about Kabatian Generation from 10 a.m. onwards. Service ace, Baluran. 22-18. Service error. 22-19. Jersey 7 serving 19 serving 22. Serving in number 2 denied access denied. It's into the wall. Of Barangay Bawang improper 22-20. Panakan is up by 2 points. Jersey 7 serving 20 serving 22. Hinulong Escose 23-20. Bumalik ang lead ng Barangay Panakan into 3 points. Jersey 13, Di Caro, serving.
Go, Barako!
Hindi na kinaya. That's 21-23. Panakan is up only by 2 points. Jersey 2, serving. 21 serving 23. And Alvaro says, is set point, Panakan! Jersey 10, Narazo, serving. Service error! Namali pa talaga ng serve. 24-22. 2 points na lamang ang lead ng Barangay Panakan. Jersey 3, serving. 22 serving 24. Escosen made the last point for our first set change court. Once again, maraming salamat, Congressman Vincent Garcia, Secretary Javi Garcia Ramos, Mayor Sebastian Pastor Duterte, Vice Mayor Attorney Melchor Divine Engineer, SD Federation President Christina Abdul Mercado, dagang salamat Chief of Staff Shirley Manuan, WTV and Ariela The Explorer for our live coverage. Dagang salamat. And of course, the proceeding officials from Balibulista ni Davao, Mandog Barangay Council, headed by Kapitan Rayututan, and SK Chairperson Roxanne Calo Kauman, ang SK Council. Daghan kaayong salamat, of course, PDRMC of Barangay Mandog, Buhangin Fire Station, and sa tanan na naadili karong hapuna, daghan salamat for supporting the Davao 2nd District Volleyball League Season 2 of the Team Garcia Campus.
Shout out sa tanan diya sa David TV. Ariela the Explorer taking over. Pakitanaw na lang sa Reels.
Once again, our combination activity grade 12 will be in Kabandian Gymnasium. Women's division we will play in the morning and men's division will be played in the afternoon. And at 6 p.m. we will have the awarding ceremony and the coronation night of our ambassador and ambassadress for our Season 2 Volleyball League. Dagan kayong salamat sa tanang barangay officials and SK officials sa walay puwas na pagsuporta aktibo sa segundo distrito ang tanang opisyales sa atong distrito. Dagan kayong salamat. After this game, we will have Bandung versus Art Castillo. And after the game of Bandung versus Art Castillo, we will have our semis rank 1A versus rank 2B and rank 2A versus rank 2B. Rank 1B. The sound system would like to have a technical timeout for a while para sa atong suga kang murag nga action na siya ngit-ngit. Nga di mo siga ang ubang suga sa gym. So i-tap ko sa nato. For the information of everyone, the each district of District 2. So that's Buhangin District, Pakibago District, Bunawan District, and we have the Andao District na ayaw ring magpatalo. Okay. So may Buhangin yun. Tingnan natin. And just to let everyone know, after the volleyball season 2, meron po tayong Zumba contest for our women's ng barangay naman. So each barangay will have a representative. Pareho pa rin, we'll have an inter-district competition, and then magkakaroon pa rin tayo ng inter-district competition, barangay competition, para sa Zumba festival natin. That's for women's. We are excited because we will also have our LCBT programs. Unta ma-push na talaga ng events for this year. That's from Congressman Vincent Joy Garcia and City Councilor Javi Garcia Campos. Ayan! Lumiwanag ng teka!
Kuranan din.
Si Juan Queen. Artemis. Si Zoltik.
Si Chris Zoltik.
Si Chris Zoltik.
Happy uwi ka pag di na kita mo ano. Pagit.
Pagit. Wala, thank you kita. Hanapit na si Bauro po.
Nandiyan ang tubig karong ano mo.
Welcome to the second set of our match, Barangay Buhangin Proper versus Barangay Panakan. This is a best of 3 sets game. Will Panakan bring home the crown, or will Buhangin Proper rise up to the challenge? Jersey 2, Baluran.
Patay!
Uy! Sige palo.
Sabi ni Estosa, deny! Isa na. Ay, sorry. Ang flashlight, sorry lang, on lang. Baluran, Jersey 2, serving. Quick plays, Jose, sabi deny. Outside. 1-0. Jersey 7, serving.
At commentator.
Ikaw, Jersey 13, what an attack. 2-1. Jersey 13, Ticaro, serving. 2 serving 1.
Commentator tabi.
Buhangin Proper got to point. 2-all. Jersey 2, serving for Buhangin Proper.
Babe na ba?
Service Alex. Pisnos. 1-point lead of Barangay Buhangin Proper.
Pangit!
Jersey 2, still serving. Service error. 3-0.
Kasi mag-commentator.
Jersey 10, Narazo, serving. That's outside. Narazo still serving. flash din lang. Mga flash, mga flashlight mag-on. At sa board, iba si matulong sa mga kasatong players, si Bako, malis na siya. 3-4, Narasa with serving jersey 10.
Jersey number 10 serving. Nice receive by number 3. It was a great hit by number 15. Lanaha, I'm sorry. Score now is 5, serving 3. Lamang po ang Panakan. Here with me is Ariela the Explorer. Kumusta mo ang experience natin today, Ariela the Explorer?
Sobrang saya po, David TV. Ang aga natin, pero sobrang saya pa rin.
Of course. Nice receive by number 11. It was a lifting violation.
4-5. Panakan is leading by a point.
Chanchan is now serving.
Jersey 3. Overseas. Volleyball!
I'm inviting everyone to please watch the championship game tomorrow at Kabantian Gym. Estose. Successful.
5-6. We would like to acknowledge the arrival of our very own Congressman Vincent Garcia. Wala na siguro yung makailangan niya, no? Number 6 serving.
Estose serving. Good receive by number 3. From the opposite, denied. 4 touches violation.
4 touches violation. 5-7.
Ang score po natin ay 5-7. Lamang po ang Panakan.
Panakan is up by 2 points. Estosa, number 6, serving. 7 serving 5.
Still on the service line, Estose, number 6.
A miscommunication there by Barangay on improper. Score 5-8. Time out, Barangay Buhangin proper.
Time out po tayo by Barangay
Score
Buhangin.
time out, 5-8. Panakan is up by 3 points. Once again, dagat kayo salamat Congressman Vincent J. Garcia, City Councilor Javi Garcia Campos, Mayor Aster Duterte, Vice Mayor Attorney George A. Kitayan Jr., SB Federation President, Councilor Christine Abdul Mercado, Balibulista Dinegao, our Chief of Staff, Sherwin Manuel. Thank you so much for making Volleyball League Season 2 of District 2 possible. Score 5-8. Panakan is up by 3 points. Number 6 is Fosse for serving.
Kailangan ng commentators.
To the net. Services. Hindi na ibalik. Jersey 6 is possessed and serving. 5-9. Panakan is up by 4 points. Score for the second set. Or this will be the last and the final set. Magkakaroon ng third set. Away, outside. 6-9. Jersey 2 serving. 6 serving 9.
Dumanhog, number 12, serving.
Alvar. What an attack.
Paeng Alvar from the opposite.
Jersey 4, the team captain, Alvar.
Lamang po ang Panakan ng 4 points. Alvar serving. Scrambling there. Chanchan with a set. Nice receive by Dinampo. There was a net touch violation called upon number 15 from Panakan.
7 serving 10, jersey number 14.
Now serving jersey number 14, Mulat.
Sabi ni Baluran.
Razonable attempted, denied.
Barangay Panangan. 7-11. Lalo jersey number 15.
Lamang po ng 4 na puntos ang Panakan aside from leading a set. Nice receive from Chanchan, number 3. From the opposite, dug up by Estose. Estose will try. Unsuccessful.
8-11.
Score goes to Buhangin proper.
8 serving 11, jersey number 13. Panakan is up by 4 points. Baluran jersey 2 serving 12 serving 8.
Number 2 serving. Razonable will try.
Nakuha pa talaga.
There was a net touch. Error. Called upon Buhangin.
8-13.
Still on the service line. Baluran, number 2 of Panakan. Nice serve. That was off the block by
9
number 3 of Buhangin. Now serving the setter, Nunez. Check ball. Estose.
9-14.
5-point lead
Jersey 13.
for Panakan. Chanchan will try. Dug up by number 15 of Panakan. Double violation committed by jersey number 10, setter of Panakan.
10 serving 14, jersey number 2.
Razonable will serve. What a hit there by the team captain Alvar of Panakan.
Jersey 10 serving Raso.
Still on the service line, the setter of Panakan. Nice received there by the libero.
Lumusot pa rin.
Successful.
11-15.
11-15 na po tayo. Lamang pa rin ang Panakan.
11.
Jersey number 3 is now serving.
Quick play by Alvar. 11-16.
Grabe to si Alvar.
Score for the second set.
As we have known, opener po siya pero pumalo po sa middle.
16 serving 11. After this game, we will have Mandug versus R. Castillo.
Next game po nito is Mandug versus R. Castillo.
Lumusot pa rin between the two walkers. 12-16. Bumabalik ng Barangay Panangan to 4 points. Jersey 12 serving. 12 serving 16.
Dumanhog is now on the service line.
It's not over. Tras sa 16, 3 puntos lamang Barangay Panangan. 13 serving 16. That's a 5. 14, 16. Panakan is up by only 2 points. Jersey 12.
Mahabol po ang Buhangin proper. 2 puntos na lang po ang kalamangan. Dumanhog still serving.
Is beside our congressman. That's outside. This is size 15. Panakan is only leading by a point. 15 serving 16. Jersey number 12. Sabi ng number 14. Panakan 16.
Good hit there from the opposite.
Time out, Barangay.
Humabol po ang Buhangin proper. It's now tied up at 16.
Jersey 12, serving.
Dumanhog still serving for Buhangin. Alvar inside.
Inside, sabi ng referee at 16-17. Ang payabuling Panakan.
Lamang po na isang puntos ang Panakan. On the service line, number 4, Alvar. Nice receive by the libero. Puntos po ng Buhangin. It was a lifting violation called upon Panakan. 17 all na po tayo. Now on the service line, jersey number 14, Mulat. Ticaro can score. Andito pa rin po tayo sa Mandug. Barangay Mandug. Covered court. Razonably were tried. Nice dig by number 4. We'll try again. Razonably and successful. 18 all na po tayo. This is a very close fight. Kung mananalo po dito ang Panakan, they will proceed to the semifinal round.
Miscommunication kay Barangay Panakan. DC8 his favor. Lamang ang Buhangin proper into 1 point.
Jersey number 13 is still serving. Nice dig by Dumanhog, number 12.
Net violation.
Score goes to Buhangin. Score now is 20, serving 18.
Jersey 13, serving 20, serving 18. Miscommunication. By Buhangin proper. Jersey 2, Baluran. 19, serving 20.
Jersey number 2, Baluran, will serve for Panakan. Hindi po na ihatid na maayos. Chanchan will try na dig po ng Panakan. Number 13 will try na dig again. Estose denied.
Nice game by Buhangin proper. 21-19.
Stare down po. Si Nunez, number 7. Lamang po ng 2 puntos ang Buhangin proper. Jersey number 7, the setter, will serve.
Jersey 7.
Shout out po kay Sasha Monleon. Estose is successful.
Still, Buhangin proper is ang payabong. Ticaro, jersey number 13, serving 20, serving 21.
Very smart play there by number 3 of Buhangin proper.
22 serving 20, jersey number 2.
Middle attacker, jersey number 2 will serve Razonable. Nice serve there. What a hit by jersey number 4, Alvar of Panakan.
Jersey 10.
Grabe, bumabawi po ang Buhangin. Jersey number 3 will serve.
By Buhangin proper. 23 serving 21.
The birthday girl, Chan Chan. Estose with a hit.
23-22. Rumahabo. Jersey 6. Serving.
22 serving 23. Lamang pa rin po ang Buhangin na isang puntos. Estose will serve. What a serve! Service ace po.
23 all.
For Estose. 23 all na po tayo.
What a game. Score for the second set.
Papayag kaya ang Panakan na mag third set or tatapusin ang game na ito with a 2 sets.
Overseas.
Shout out sa scorer natin na si Deng Ong Kiko. Match point na po ang Panakan. Jersey number 6 serving Estose. Magte-third set kaya? Nice rally here. Magsa-slide 2 po tayo.
24 slide 2. Ayaw patalo na daw.
Net violation called upon Panakan. Slide 2 po tayo mga kaibigan. Serve po is number 12. Dumanhog. Set point po ang Buhangin proper. Magte-third set kaya.
Are we going to have timeout?
Timeout for Barangay Panakan.
Our third set. Again, score for the second set. 25-24. Set point. Buhangin proper. 25-24. Set point. Buhangin proper.
Shagit man, wait.
Please also like Councilor Happy Garcia Campos page, our new page. Kung wala pa mo naka-follow, please follow our new page, Councilor Happy Garcia Campos.
Please follow Councilor Campos Garcia page. Magsa-third set kaya?
225 all! Slide 2 again, 2 to win.
Slide 2 again. Ang magsaserve po is ang team captain ng Barangay Panakan, jersey number 4, Alvar. Nice receive by the libero.
26.
Hindi papayag ang Barangay Buhangin na matatapos ang game na ito. Mulat on the service line, jersey number 14.
Jersey 15, serving, Lanahan.
Slide 2 na naman tayo. Match point na po ang Panakan. Jersey number 15 is still serving. Tatapos kaya ang game. Chance na po na Panakan. Outside.
And out game! Congratulations! Panakan!
Sige, go.
Panakan!
wala pa.
Your
Tap, go. Oh.
Congratulations, Team Panakan, for winning this game.